Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll see how to install Contoso invoicing applications. If you are working on invoice creations or invoice processing, how you can install these applications, and this will be very important when we are working with accounting system. Go with step-by-step process for the installations. Here you can add your account related information. Let's consider you have the account name of some company like HCL and you want to enter or fill the data. So here let me add some numbers and then hcl@gmail.com or maybe abc@hcl.com. If you want to save, just click on save and this information will be saved. If you want to add new details, you can just click on this tab and this will be added successfully. This is a very important applications which is used and lightweight as well. This is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay for it. That's the reason people are liking this applications. For installations, here navigate it to this GitHub repository, search for this developer toolbar platform, and from here just click on Contoso invoicing setup.zip. From this options, just select this and click on download. So this will download the zip file, which you can after that extract it and install in your system. I already downloaded it. That's the reason I'm not downloading it again. But if you want, you can just download it. And once the download is completed, simply click on exe or .msi file. Double click on this options. You'll get options for installation. As of now, because it's already installed in my system, that's the reason it's giving me options or repair Contoso, invoicing or remove Contoso. Let me remove it and then post that will install it from scratch. This will ask for your permissions. Once you do it, then it will remove it. As of now, because it's my Windows systems, I'm installing .exe file. Click on next. It will ask you to store the folder locations or it will give you options of folder locations where all those files will be stored. Click on next, then next, and it will start installing. Once the installations will be done, if you want, you can navigate it to the exactly same folder locations which it was populated for creating the folder. Again, this will ask for your permissions for the installations, and then once you will hit, it will be installed successfully. If you want, you can just see the desktop icon from here. Double click on this and you can launch Contoso application, which is available here. This is how you can install Contoso invoice processing applications which will be helpful for your project needs. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.